Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing visible obstructions and accessing fasteners. Use a trim tool to pry out inserts and a Phillips or Torx to remove screws. Once the lid is open, lift any foam or liners and keep screws organized in labeled containers so you can return them to the exact holes. Make sure to note hinge orientation and cable routing. You'll need that for reassembly. If wiring connectors appear, depress clips and gently separate them to avoid damaging tabs while you continue. You now unbolt the hinge while supporting the armrest so it doesn't fall. Steady it with one hand and remove the 10 mm or Torx bolts with the other. Once separated, peel back upholstery to inspect foam, metal brackets, and slider rails for cracks, rust, or broken rivets. This is where failures hide. If sliders are dirty, clean with brake cleaner and wipe dry, then apply a light coat of silicone or white lithium grease to ensure smooth travel. Replace any bent brackets or torn foam as needed. You reassemble by aligning the shell halves and sliding upholstery back into grooves, then loosely install hinge bolts to check movement before torquing fully. Once tightened to spec, reconnect any wiring and test the lid several times. Make sure the latch engages cleanly and the armrest closes flush. If it binds, loosen bolts, realign the rails or striker, and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if sticking persists, inspect for hidden debris or a warped bracket, and replace the slider mechanism rather than forcing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.